Hello. Today we are learning how to enter a defect notification in SAP for a calibration that is out of tolerance or an NCR. Alright, I'll just get into it. I'm recording the results here for a torque wrench, and I've got 3 good values and a bunch of not good values. The next one that I want to enter in is 37.09. Oops. 37.09. When I push enter, because that value is not in the acceptable range of tolerance, this defect window pops up, and I'm going to click these 2 squares or push F4 to open up the options for that first box that is highlighted. Now this video I'm going to enter an OOT out of tolerance, but it's going to work approximately the same if you want to enter a non-conformance, and I don't have time to go into the precise difference of how we use that here in the lab, but this one's an out of tolerance, so I'll click that box. If it was a non-conformance, you would click this box down here and then push enter or click the green check mark. That fills that in, and then you're going to want to click on this pencil because we're gonna write some more stuff in there. This one I've already adjusted, and I have all the results here. You don't need much to explain in a lot of cases why you're processing a defect notification. This one's just, it was out of tolerance and I adjusted it. If you push enter, it'll shoot you down to this box, and you open that up and you will say out of tolerance adjusted calibration. You can double click that. If it was a non-conformance, you would say non-conformance and then choose one of these. Oops, I didn't select one. There we go. And I push enter again, and it fills this description in with the description I have up there. The function is going to be user responsible. Partner is our manager. Priority is going to be either out of tolerance or non-conformance, whatever the case is. Push enter, and then whenever you see do you want to specify new dates, you will always say yes. Now click on this tasks tab up here, and then this column is the task code. Click on that first box and open that up. Then it's either non-conformance, equipment assessment conclusion, or in this case out of tolerance, equipment assessment conclusion. You can double click that and it fills it in. Push enter. I don't know if it's necessary to push enter, but I always do. And then you want to click this green flag. If you don't click the green flag, then nobody will get the notification. So always make sure you click that. Now you click the back arrow and you are done. We only have to click this green check mark to get out of here. So someone else is going to go in and process that. You don't have to do anything else. You just finish closing the rest of the calibration as usual. Now this other field, this next reading, I got 36.88, and when I push enter, another defect window comes up. However, it is our practice that we only do 1 defect notification per failed calibration. Okay, so you can push escape or X out of that. You don't need to enter another defect notification. By the way, this flag here, if you click that, that's where it is. You can open it back up and make changes to it, certain changes. If you were recording a non-conformance or something where you don't have out of tolerance readings, you can do the same process in the same way by clicking this defects button up here. Now, in the case of failed calibrations, you're going to want to explain a bit what happened, and you want some text to come up here at the very top, which is going to get transferred over to the calibration certificate, and it'll be the comments for the calibration. The way you do that is go to Environment, Inspection Processing, Inspection Lot, Change. You will have to say yes, save. When you get this window that says partner function not available, just click the X or push escape. And again, say yes for new dates. Also on this window, you don't want to put in any other names, so just push escape. And it's going to kick you out to this screen where you can make changes to the inspection lot, and it's going to populate the field with the correct inspection lot. Just push enter. And now the text that I want is, I'll just say out of tolerance condition was adjusted. And I'll push enter. And I'll push save. Now, I want an easy way to get back into the calibration recording. So you can click this up arrow, and then we want QE51 again. Just push enter or click on it, and the same inspection lot number will take us back into it. So push F8 or the execute button. And now we're back into the same calibration recording, except we've got this note now, out of tolerance condition was adjusted. So at this point I'll just continue entering my calibration. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.